In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wells Fargo PIN number. Changing your PIN is a simple yet essential task to help protect your financial security. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to securely update your PIN. First, you'll want to head over to the official Wells Fargo website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in wellsfargo.com. This will take you to their homepage where you can find an array of services from online banking to financial advice. It's always wise to ensure you're on the correct site as it protects you from phishing scams. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login section, typically located at the top right of the page. Enter your username and password. Remember, keeping your login credentials private is crucial for protecting your account. If you have any trouble remembering your password, you can follow the steps to reset it through the login page. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the cards menu. This section is where you manage all aspects of your debit and credit cards, including paying your bill, checking statements, and yes, changing your PIN. Finding this option might vary slightly depending on any recent updates or changes to the website layout, but typically, Cards is prominently featured in the main navigation or dashboard once logged in. In the Cards menu, look for the option that says Change Your PIN. Click on that, and it will guide you to a specific page dedicated to managing your PIN settings. This is where you'll be able to make the necessary adjustments. On the Change Your PIN page, you'll be prompted to follow the on-screen directions to set a new PIN. These steps are designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that anyone can update their PIN without any hassle. As you select a new PIN, it's important to choose a number that's both easy for you to remember, yet difficult for others to guess. Avoid using common sequences or easily guessed combinations like 1234 or 0 Once you've selected a new PIN, be sure to save or memorize it as you'll need it for future transactions. Many systems will prompt you to enter the new PIN twice to confirm that you've typed it correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Wells Fargo PIN number. By following these steps regularly, you contribute to maintaining the security of your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful banking tips and advice.